Here we go, the GVM lights, LED light, the great video maker LED lights for gaming, or what I'm going to use them for now for filming. What's in the box? Let's find out right now. So that's how it arrived. Unfortunately, I hate when they do that. They just stick a shipping label on the original manufacturer box and they ship it like that, so it's quite a bit damaged. Hopefully the gear inside it's not damaged. Let's find out right now and see also what you get with this kit. All right, opening the box. All right, so the first thing we see, and something I always like, it's that it comes with a storage / transportation case. So let's remove it from the box. That's all for the box itself. The GVM nice storage transportation case. So it's a bit soft, it's like a soft shell of some sort, but also kind of hard. So that's great. That means this case should have protected the gear very well during shipping, which I like. Now let's see what they put in this case. All right, big reveal time. And here we go. Ta-da! Okay, more boxes. So let's see the black one first. So there's a black box here. Let's see what's inside. And inside it we do have some cabling. It's the power supply. So on this black box it's the power supply. And another power supply. So each of the lights have their own power supply. Power block like that. Next in the box, let's see, we do have this. I suppose this is, those are the mounts. So you can use that to mount on your desk. I may have to swap that and take just a normal tripod if I want to use them for filming. But you know, the option is here to mount on your desk instead and use it for gaming atmosphere. So some people like that. Now, here are the lights themselves. Okay, the user manual. Let's see. With some illustration, perfect, so easier to understand. And the back explain with all the legend about everything, so I like that. And each light came look like in this velvety storage / transportation pouch. More storage now because it's velvety, so it's not very like helping for impact, but as long as they are in the case, they should be fine. All right, let's see. It's a bit hard to open. Here we go. So light number one. Here we go. Oops, I'm using some stuff. I'm using some stuff already. There is like the filter, some transparent filter going away. But here we go. The light themselves. So it looks like in the back. Look like you can use some battery as well if you want to use them, if you don't want to use the power. But the battery don't come in the box, you have to buy them separately. So 2 batteries by each light. All right, function button, knobs, mini LCD screen here. Interesting, off on button with 2 modes, mode 1 and off and mode 2. And now let's see the light itself. Opening this barn door, they are plasticky, plastic back door, so be careful. Probably easy to break. Maybe one of the weakness of those lights could be those plastic barn door. I can feel that if I insist, I may be able to break them, so be careful. And last one, here we go. Now that's reveal the rows of LED here, and that was the filter that was going away. It's like a transparent filter or / protection for the LED. Here we go, kind of going away there. So if I remove it, you can see the LED now, and you can touch them as well. So it's a protection, I guess, for that, and also it will diffuse the light from the LED spot. Okay, so the next one should be the same, but let's close there and find out. So this one should be exactly the same. Opening it. Up. Spot number 2, yep, same in the back and same in the front. And again, I will have this little piece of foam falling that they are like in the back there to protect here the back during transportation. Okay, remove those. All right, and let's see what we do have, like a quality certificate, someone who checked that everything was fine, and desiccant anti-humidity agent here, and that's it. So that's pretty much all you get with this kit. The 2 light with the pouch, and here we go, it's pouch there, and now we get the 2 power supply and the 2 brackets, mounting brackets and power supply. Crazy long cables, so you have enough length to go where you want to go. But again, if you don't like all this cable hanging around, you can use rechargeable batteries for those spots, but they are not included. You will have to be purchased separately. Here we go. I'm going to be a little bit back. That's what you get with this kit. Everything included there with the box that comes with. So here you go, guys. I hope this video has been useful. Now let's test those spots and see how they perform and how they work. Okay, using those spots, it's very easy. If you have the battery that goes here, you can see right now on the screen what kind of battery fits here. Each spot uses 2 of these batteries. But if you have access to power outlets and you want to plug directly your spot, you can use that instead. Otherwise, you take your plug here and it goes right there. There we go. So now you are good to go. To turn on the light, it's very easy. Here you have a switch. Position 1, it's on with the power cable, and position 2, it's on with the batteries. Also note that each light have some protective plastic over there, so you see the LCD screen is a little bit scratched off and there's like things there. You have to peel off this protective plastic if you like, so you can see a better screen right there without this film over the screen. Okay, turn on the lights. 1, here we go. And as soon as we turn on the light, we get this mode, which is the mode rotate. So the mode rotates means you just control the RGB light with those 2 knobs, and that's it. Right now it's on 40% brightness with 5600K on the color temperature. That's pretty much what it does. Here we go. Here there is a diffuser on, but that's the light at 40%. Okay, so if you turn this knob, you will increase the brightness. There we go. The second knob here will let you adjust the color temperature. So right now, like I said, we have 5600. That's the maximum. And now it go all the way down to, here we go, to 3200. So now we have 3200 color temperature right there on the spot. All right, now this knob, not this one, not the brightness knob, but this one, you can click it. So you press it and then you can change here. Like now we have the color temperature. Now we go to the hue setting. Basically now when we turn this wheel, we can adjust the hue setting, which will change actually the color that this light will display. Here we go, different color mode, basically just adjusting the hue knob right there. Okay, now we press it again and we can adjust the saturation. So 100% saturation, and then we can do different saturation from 0 to 100%. Okay, next we are going to use this Wi-Fi reset / mode button to change the mode, and we access to a mode here that's called slave. So there is slave and master. I like this system because basically one projector will be the master, and since you have 2, one will be on slave, and then you set them on the channel to be on the same channel together. And now when you change a setting on one projector, it's going to mirror those settings on the other projector. So you don't have to go on each projector and changing new setting on each projector independently. You just set this one, for example, on master, and now all the settings are applied here. If I'm on channel, of course, 0 on the slave, will be sent to the slave projector. On the slave, if I put this projector on slave, I cannot change any of the settings. Now the settings are sent to me, to this projector, by the master. If I choose this one as the master now, I can change my setting and send those settings to my slave. Next mode, we have the Wi-Fi mode. You can download an app for your phone, and it's all explained here in the user manual. Here is the app, and then you can control and set your projector using your phone. So I find this option quite interesting if you don't want to mess up with the setting in the back of the spot all the time, and you have your phone handy and the projector maybe are not front of you. You want to remotely set those projector while you are filming something, for example, and maybe projector are far away from you. Anyway, in any case, use your phone with the app, and then you can control this RGB light under this Wi-Fi mode. Next mode, something I particularly like, it's the pre-program mode. So basically, here we go, we are on the bad bulb mode. So you can set the brightness, and also you can set the color temperature here with the knob of your bad bulb, and then the projector will act like if you had a bad bulb in the background running. So I like those pre-program mode. All right, let's try some other modes. So to change the mode while you are under this mode, the bad bulb, for example, you don't use this mode button actually, otherwise you go back to your rotate and then you have to start again, slave, master, Wi-Fi, back to mode. Now you use those arrows. So for example, now we are in bad bulb mode. Now go to party mode. Yay, inch. Now we have different settings. You can still adjust the brightness with the brightness knob here, but you can now adjust the time before the next, and minimum is 100 milliseconds by the way, but it's the time until the next boom, 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 until the next time the light will change. If I increase this, now look at the lights change slower. So that's also a nice setting here that you have on those mode. Next mode, we have the disco, so pretty similar to the party one. And then next mode we have paparazzi. Basically it imitates someone taking a picture of you with a flash in the background. Next mode, it's lightning, so for Halloween decoration, for example. Okay, next we have the cop car. So again, it acts like there is a cop car in the background. So if you have any movie to do about being chased by a cop car or something, you can use also this mode. Next is the candle, so it simulates a candle burning in the background. Next, it's TV, so that simulates a TV in the background turn on. So that's interesting. And we go back to the bad bulb. So that's pretty much all for the automatic programmation that you have here under those mode. And then if I press here again, I go back to my setting here with my color temperature and my brightness. All right, and when you are done, you put the switch here on the 0, the middle position 0, and then your spotlights turn off. All right guys, I hope this video was useful for you. You saw the unboxing, what's in the box with this awesome set of 2 GVM spotlights. And now you saw how to use quickly this menu in the back of the projector. Of course, I always recommend read the user manual. There is tons of good information in it, as well as how to download the app. You just have to scan those QR code and then you are good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this video has been useful and enjoy your new gear.